Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shade with Pure Shade. And this week I'm going to share a new mind-blown item that's only available online. So here it is, the shelf-stable sea scallops. So I'm going to show you how to make it and let you know what I think. So these are the shelf-stable sea scallops. And what that means is you don't have to freeze it. You don't have to refrigerate it. It can sit on your shelf until you open it. After you open it, whatever you don't use, you refrigerate. So it has 10 calories, 0 fat, 0 cholesterol, 5 milligrams of sodium, 4 grams of carbs, and 0 protein. So I'm actually gonna make a linguine Cajun Alfredo, and I'm gonna top it with these lovely scallops. And did you know that 1% of your purchase goes to the Coral Restoration Foundation? So that is an amazing thing to think about when you buy from Mind Blown. So just know that 1% of it is going to the Coral Restoration Foundation. So remember that. So yeah, I'm going to show you how it's made and the ingredients I'll be using in just a moment. These are all the ingredients you'll be using. You're going to go ahead and drizzle the oil in each pot to prep for the scallops and the pasta. I've already poured water in the pot for the noodles. So I'm going to go ahead and add the noodles and cook for about 9 minutes. And of course, periodically stir so the noodles don't get stuck together. I also added some oil and some salt because this is the chickpea noodles. So yeah, definitely continue to stir because these will start to stick together if you don't. Now it's time to add the diced vegetables. And of course, we're going to stir them up. Make sure everything is sauteed nice and good. Back to stirring those noodles again to make sure they do not stick. Just keep stirring, stirring, stirring. Now it's time to remove the noodles from the pot and drain and add back to the pot to prep for the Alfredo. Now it's time to add the Alfredo sauce. I always use 2 jars. I like mine on the saucier side. You can add 1, but I like 2. And of course, stir everything together. Make sure all that goodness gets all over those noodles. Now it's time to add the kale so they can saute down and get nice and soft. You already know we got to stir everything together. Make sure that kale gets all in the Alfredo sauce and make sure it cooks and softens. Oh yeah, and about half a teaspoon of cayenne. And give it another good stir. As it continues to cook, you can tell the kale is starting to soften and it's almost finished. Now it's time to add the scallops. I add the dusted powder, and now I'm going to add some Old Bay. I added about maybe a tablespoon. I added about a tablespoon of parsley. And about half a teaspoon of cayenne. Give it a little shake and add it to the stove. You're going to cook it on medium-high heat. Allow both sides to cook until it is golden brown. I added a little bit more oil because it wasn't enough for each scallop. I also added a little bit of oil to the pasta just to help for it to not stick. Give the noodles a good stir and make sure to flip your scallops to make sure they aren't overcooked on each side. I did add a little bit more Old Bay because I started to notice that the sides of each of the scallops didn't get all of the seasoning on it. Now we're going to begin to flip the scallops. Give the noodles a good stir. It's almost finished. And give those scallops another good flip. Now this is how the pasta should look when it's done, and this is how the scallops should look. And once it's done, it comes out looking like this. Doesn't it look oh so delicious? Look at that. Oh my God, these are like regular looking sea scallops. You would never know that they're plant-based. Again, this is the shelf-stable sea scallops by Mind Blown. So we're gonna go ahead and take a bite. All right, here we go, y'all. Again, this is Alfredo linguine with the plant-based Mind Blown on top. So again, I'm gonna take a bite. As you can see, it's really hot. Oh my God. Y'all, I don't know if y'all ever had scallops before, but the texture, the taste is dead on like sea scallops. Y'all gotta make this, okay? I'm gonna tell you right now, this is delicious. So yeah, definitely go ahead and order you some shelf-stable sea scallops because it's online order only. Definitely get this and make this right here. You will love it, I'm telling you. So yeah, of course, this gets a 10 out of 10. This is absolutely delicious. It's phenomenal. The texture, the taste. I'm telling you. You guys, I can't even explain in the words how good this is right now. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Oh my God. So anyways, while I keep enjoying this delicious meal, definitely go order you some now. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Thank you guys again. Bye.